Phoenix, what does a duck say? What does a duck say? Phoenix. Yeah, they say quack quack, huh?
I know my roommate isn't now, so she says that stuff I find rather crazy.
Watch out, I'm filming.
She's so dirty all the time. It's just
So my mom can see her just walking around everywhere.
Well, I would be happy to leave it. Well,
Where do you want to go look at? Do you see the polar bear?
See what it is?
Where do you want to go look? Phoenix, what does the lion say? Oh, we're going back to the ducks. Say quack quack. Phoenix, stay out of the gift shop. Come back. Samson, you want to grab her before she rips all those animals down? Phoenix, no, 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 no. Say hi, Dad. Phoenix, where do you want to go? Let her roam. We're at the Bean Museum, looking at the ducks. Phoenix, what does the duck say? Phoenix, what does the duck say? Yeah, that's what they say, huh? Yeah. Quack, quack. Say quack, quack.
but it's like the same thing.
yeah.
Bears, dogs say bow wow.
Bow wow.
Phoenix, what does the duck say? Say quack, quack. Say quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Oh, I think I've seen that
She
one.
wanted to get a nice little swans, yeah. They like taking her dress apart and stuff.
Oh, you okay?
I got attacked by a swan.
Stand back up.
Yeah, I was like really little. I probably went to go like harassing her, like, hey, we're bigger than you.
Say Phoenix, say bye-bye. Phoenix.
Well, my friend had geese and stuff.
Phoenix, say bye-bye.
Junkyard,
Wait, maybe
they're junkyard geese. And they were like more